Hello guys! Paano nga ba i-contact ang help center ng Shopee through internet call? So today, tuturuan ko kayo guys. Dito naman guys, pipiliin nyo lang kung ano yung pinaka-concern nyo kay Shopee. Tapos may makakausap kayong agent, tapos sabihin nyo lang lahat ng concern nyo, at sila na bahalang gumawa. Hindi na kayo mahihirapan guys.
Thank you for calling Shopee. Stay safe against scams. Beware of scammers offering fake jobs with Shopee Mall. For your protection, please ignore these messages and report any suspicious activity to customer service. Your call is important to us. We appreciate your courtesy and respect as we work to resolve your concerns.
So, dito guys, nakausap ko na yung agent nila at okay na. So, i-update na lang nila ako through email. O, diba? Ang dali lang. Thank you for watching!